Yo, what's up mga kadugo? It's your boy Super Eden here. And it's not so wonderful morning, but there is sunshine and then there's cloudy. But we're going to sell ice candy. Rain or shine. So guys, this is our day 298. Saying hi. Talaga tayo. Sorry guys for involving you for this nonsense content of mine. But to those who support, thank you so much everyone. Appreciated it. Bahala kayo dyan.